Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to place a trade right here on FX Replay. And what you need to know is FX Replay is a backtesting software where you can place a trade, but not exactly for real money. It's just a software to backtest. Then right now what you need to know from here is we click right here on a plus icon. Oh, I already used all these sessions, but you need to create yourselves right here a session. So let's do, for example, now delete session, delete. And then right now we click here on new session, give this one a name. Then we do test 1. Account balance is fine. And then we want to have it on the asset Bitcoin. And then right here select a date. So let's do March the 1st and let's do March the 26th. Then right now we click here on create session and now he will throw us right here to the period of Bitcoin on that place. So he will start right here with March the 1st and then he will go further. And then if you click here on play, you will see right here what the chart did at that moment. So right now what we want to do is we want to place a trade, a position right here on the chart on that moment. So what we're going to do right here is we click here on order, select right here buy, entry price is fine, select here how many lots we want to step in. So let's do 5. We can put a stop loss or a take profit on it. And right now, if you click here on save, you see right here when we go a little bit more down that we are having here a asset, and that's the asset that we just created. And now if you click here on play, you see right here what our trade was doing at that moment. So right now that this is crazy to be honest, but this is how you can place a trade right here on FX Replay. And this is the way how you can backtest and how you can place a trade. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.